Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn when we should create a CPT and when we should create a category and what the difference is between the two. We will clear up any doubts regarding whether you should create a CPT or a category. So, whenever we need to create a CPT, case 1 would be, for example, if we have two CPTs, we have two sets of data, one for cars and one for vehicles, right? So the data type for cars and the data type for vehicles will be different. And the custom fields that will be created for cars and vehicles will also be different. In this case, we will create two separate CPTs, one for cars and one for vehicles. In cars, we will be able to display different types of cars, and in vehicles, we will be able to add all types of vehicles, two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheelers, and display them on our front end. So the advantage of creating two CPTs here is that we can design the cars archive page and the cars single page in different ways. We can give both of them, whether it is vehicles or cars, a great distinct look on the front end. If we need to import and export data, we can do that easily as well. If we try to import car data into the vehicle CPT, it will cause issues during the import process and our data will not be imported accurately. So in this case, we need to create two types of CPTs. The next case is creating a category. When should we create a category? So suppose we have one CPT for vehicles. In this vehicle CPT, we will add different types of vehicles. This means the custom fields for the vehicle will remain the same. We just need to add categories here. Two-wheeler vehicles, four-wheeler vehicles. This means if we want to add a two-wheeler vehicle, we will add a two-wheeler vehicle category under the vehicle CPT. That is how we can categorize our vehicle data and view it on the front end. I think your doubts regarding creating a CPT versus creating a category have been cleared. If you have any doubts, you can click the book consultation button on our WPGeoBuddy.com website to speak with our GeoDirectory experts. It is a 30-minute free consultation which you can schedule via Calendly, and you can view our products here. You can purchase any product with a single site license, a 5-site license, or an unlimited site license. Alternatively, you can purchase our membership, which starts at $99 per year, in which you get 10 of our premium add-ons. And you will surely get all our future add-ons included as well. Thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.